Colin from Cranbourne sent a lovely email in saying, Richo, how long has your family been cooking? Well, Colin, I believe it was one of my ancestors that roasted the saber-toothed tiger over the coals for the first time. That's where it began. But nowadays, things have changed so much. I can cook on this stove here, which is electronically controlled and gas-fired, which is perfect because I can cook a lot of things. As you can see, I've got 5 hobs, and because it's electronically controlled, it's really accurate. Now, in the middle here, I've got plenty of high heat, so I can boil, braise, simmer, and fry at a high heat. But I can also turn it down really low. And I can use the outside hobs to cook gentle sauces. Perfect. Now, I'm cooking a great little pork stew here. What I want to do is turn it down nice and low and slow. I'm not going to stand here stirring it the whole time. I'm going to walk away and do something else. But I know that if the flame was to blow out for some reason, I opened the door, the electronic control would shut it down. So all I need to do is come back and turn it on. And to me, that is really safe and really important. And I'll just have a little taste of it. I reckon it tastes like a saber-toothed tiger.